Let's check out this beauty here at Unique, especially in classics. 1929 Chevrolet two-door sedan. My Chevy experts out there believe this to be an AC International as far as the model of it. When this was advertised back in 1929 from Chevrolet, get a 6 for the price of a 4. So underneath the hood, it has an inline 6-cylinder, air correct, 194 cubic inch. Block casting number is 835501. That is paired up with a manual transmission. Take a look at the chrome bright work up front on this one. Headlight buckets. The odometer on this vehicle shows 27,000 miles on it right now, and it was believed to be an original 26,000 mile car when it was restored. So a little over 1,000 miles on it since restoration. Take a look at all the still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside, the engine bay, the interior. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below the video in the description. It'll take you right there, and of course you can call us 507-386-1726. Take a look at these steel wheels, wide white wall tires, the pinstriping on there, beautiful color combination. Kind of a deep aqua, kind of a deep blue green, I guess, in the biggest portion of it, and then this kind of green two-tone with the pinstriping. Matches up nicely with those wheels, the black running boards. It is also going to come with the repair manual. And there it is, International AC Series, October of 1929. I did leave this window rolled down so we take a peek at this interior. Also very nicely done. Very stock looking dash. Headliner all in good shape. What a fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Definitely not going to see one of these every day. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist with transportation. It will come with all the paint codes. There's the paint cans from when it was repainted. So it will come all the paint codes, some miscellaneous parts. There's inner tubes. Check those out in the still pictures. You'll be able to see the still pictures. Miscellaneous parts that will go with it, that there are a few of. Rear mounted spare with the matching rim, chrome in the rear. We'll start it up, let you hear it run too, and we'll take a look at that engine bay. It's been nicknamed the old Stove Bolt 6 when we look underneath there. And again, those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. You can see the paint shows well on this. There's a few spots, notice back here, where there's kind of just a little bit of checking maybe, or slight peeling, and there's a couple almost where the paint was etched on the hood a little bit. It's kind of these little spots right there. But overall, shows very well, as you can see. Just a few minor imperfections here and there, but overall, look at the shine of that reflection. Definitely shows well. All right, moving on to the interior. Door panels, beautiful shape, chrome handles, flooring all good, seating surface here. And what a fun car too, because you can bring people with. Grandkids, relative, friends, ride in the back, maybe do a parade. A lot of possibilities with this old classic. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Now we have the choke here. I'm not going to do much with that. I have it out just very slightly, but we're indoors, so it's not going to take a whole lot. Let's turn the key on. You can see amp meter moved, and let's go ahead. Starter's down below here. So we're in neutral. Here's the starter. Starts very easily. Let it warm up a bit. I haven't had it running today. Dash painted to match the exterior. Just everything finished up nicely on this car. Alright, we're in neutral. Should have listened to this door close too. And that's not pushing it very hard to close it. Very nice fit. Sounds as you would expect. And let's see. I'm going to open one of the sides of the hood here so we can take a peek at it. I think I'll take the driver's side. We can see the intake manifold and carb and stuff. So hold on a second and let's pause this. I'll get that hood open. There we go. You can see it. There's that inline 6. 194 cubic inch inline 6. Running smoothly. There's also the original job number as well as the body number. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures also. Very cool. 1929 Chevrolet AC International two-door sedan. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures. Call us 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1929 Chevrolet two-door sedan. Nice green paint job with black fenders. And the green carries through to the inside of the dash. This is a 3-speed on the floor. Smooth running vehicle. Easy to start, easy to run, and idles right away. Our speedometer is working. Doing almost 40 miles an hour now. Temperature is right between cold and normal, which is about a quarter of the gauge. We have a battery gauge that shows that it is charging about halfway on the gauge. And the oil pressure is at the number 15, which is right in the middle of the gauge. Looks like a split bench seat in here, 2 separate seats, touching each other, but 2 separate seats. I do fit in this vehicle okay. I'm 6'1" and it's not hard to drive. When we let go of the steering wheel of this car, it does stay straight in the road. Smooth ride. Nice ride, good for the highway. Brakes are working well. Let's see how she does around the corner. It does corner well. Really does not lean much at all. Have movement on the windshield wiper. Very nice running Chevrolet. Nice smooth ride down the road.